Shericka Jackson's 10.71 personal best makes her the second fastest woman this year and the sixth fastest ever at the 100 meters. Yes, track and field fans, Shericka Jackson and Shelly and Fraser Pryce ran against each other in the 100 meters of the Monaco Diamond League today. And everybody put down some real fast times out there, because you know that once the 5-time 100 meters world champion step on the track, it means that everybody have to run fast. And that's what happened. Shelly Ann blazed away down the track to register her fastest time ever this year, a whopping 10.62 seconds. And that's not the only amazing thing today. No, because Shericka Jackson blazed to a personal best 10.71 to take the second place, while Marie-José Talou ran a PB2, a time of 10.72 for the third place spot. Those are now the three fastest women's 100 meter times for this year. And get this, as I mentioned before, Shericka Jackson is now the sixth fastest woman to ever run the 100 meters. Remember, Sha'Carri Richardson always talking about her being the sixth fastest woman ever. Well, she can't say that no more. Shericka Jackson take that spot. And now Sha'Carri have to satisfy with being the seventh fastest woman ever. And she have to share the spot too, because Marie-José Talou just come equal Sha'Carri time today. 10.72 seconds means she shared the title of seventh fastest woman with Sha'Carri now. And given how Talou seems to be improving, she might soon move up and own the spot for herself. She won. Congrats to our Jamaican sprinters, Shelly and Shericka. And congrats to Talou as well. Your people over there in the Ivory Coast must be very happy right now too. All the best, ladies, and we're looking forward to even faster times as the season continues.